How to use data with TextNow. To start using TextNow with mobile data, first open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap on Connections and then go to Mobile Networks. On some devices, this may also appear as SIMs and Network. Scroll down and select Access Point Names APN. If you don't see it immediately, tap on Advanced and then select Access Point Names. Now tap the Add button or the plus icon at the top of the screen to create a new APN. For the APN configuration, set the name as TextNow and the APN as textnow.static. After entering these details, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Save to store the new APN configuration. Next, select the TextNow APN option from your list of APNs to activate it. Go back to the Settings menu, turn on Airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. Your phone is now fully configured to use TextNow with mobile data, allowing you to send text, make calls and stay connected even without Wi-Fi. Now you know how to use TextNow with mobile data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.